not able to pay on time. And that's what the judge under the 29-216A have to enforce a consent judgment by 3 federal agencies. And that's why it becomes the United States versus the John Doe, which is the corporate officer and the Social Security, because the corporate officer, when they fail to pay benefits to their employee, then they fail to pay their obligation. In other words, they make more profit instead of pay expenses in behalf of the employee. And that's the reason why he goes in front of a federal judge, because there was a federal questions, and the judge had to really indicate it that there was three things that has to be done. First, the corporate officer has to go to jail for 6 months. Second, the each one of the claimants, which is the victim, has to change the 1099 to become a W-2 form. And the third one, which is called the 29-216C, the Department of Labor now, their obligation is to make sure that the calculation is right, and then they have to take the money and send it to the Treasury Department. And the 29-216D mean that they cannot really have any child that is under 18 years old that was working from the defendants, which is the corporate officer that was included into the data. And then that's the end result of the solutions to really those cases only can take between 6 months to a year and a half. And then when the judge gave the summary judgment and the case is over, and there will be no Supreme Court cases, no Court of Appeal, because it's already consent between those 3 agencies.